Yeah, we are live. Marcus Body Coding Live. Remember, no footwork every day. How does it work? You see, we do. No excuses. Yeah. Are you ready? Watch for yourself first. Yeah, cross kick. 8. Let's go. Yeah, that's the move. Remember, no excuses. Yeah, I switched the camera. Yeah, let's do it together. Are you ready? Let's go. We start to the back. We can start with the right or with the left. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. Let's go. Cross to the back. Open. Cross and kick. Now with the right. Cross. Open, cross, and kick. Now with the left again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Cross, open, cross, and kick. Cross, open, cross, and kick. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is the move. Cross, kick, hey, this is the move. And I remind you, these are universal moves. You can use them dancing. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, Zumba, rumba, whatever style that you want. Yeah. Wait, you still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. Now, face to face. I want to see you. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah, staring in a mirror. By practicing, of course. You can start with the left or with the right. Let's start with the left. Let's go. Cross 8. Cross kick 8. Let's go. We cross to the back. We open. We cross and we kick. We cross to the back. Open. Cross. We kick. Cross. Open. Cross. Kick. Cross. Open. Cross. Kick. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's the move. Let's give you some tips with the hands. You can point when you do the kick with the opposite hand. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, and you point. Yeah, 5. Now with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. On 3, you take the hand in the air and point. Yes, just with the leg. Bam. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at the hand. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Yeah, that's the move. That's the move. And remember, these are universal moves. Why universal? So you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Whatever you dance. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba. And if you're the serious student and you want to practice this move with me in the studio for free anytime you want, and better to do it right now, remember, no excuses. Check the link above, below, to the sides. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio. Go to my YouTube channel and search for this move. Cross, kick, 8. Yes, and practice with me in the studio today. No excuses. But what do you care? You have this video, right? So you can hit the replay button and practice with me again, and then again, and then again, and then I guess again. Because repetition is the mother of skill. Yes, repetition. So do it today. Why today? Why today? Because tomorrow we have new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Booty Coding Live. So, let's meet you tomorrow for a new footwork. See you tomorrow then.